Actor and comedian Tracy Morgan remains in critical condition this morning after a six-car pileup that killed Morgan's fellow passenger and friend, James McNair, and comedian.
And now we're learning that a Walmart truck driver who was possibly asleep at the wheel is facing charges, including one count of death by auto.
So what do these charges mean, and what role could celebrity play in the investigation? Here with some insight is attorney David Schwartz. Good morning. Thanks for being with us.
Morning, David.
So this driver could face jail time potentially if found guilty.
Absolutely. 5 to 10 years in jail for death by auto, which is an act of recklessness. So if he did fall asleep at the wheel, that's one of the ways you could commit reckless driving in New Jersey. And certainly the fact that a death occurred, 5 to 10 years in jail.
But I'm not trying to take anything away from the tragedy of this, but 10 years in jail for falling asleep, it strikes me as very different from taking drugs, drinking. Has that ever happened? Has anybody actually gone to jail for falling asleep?
For falling and causing a death?
Yes.
Absolutely.
Wow.
Absolutely. Well, I mean, and look, it could be a low, there could be plea bargaining. It doesn't mean they're going to go to jail for 10 years.
But we know, I mean, we've done a story here. In fact, I did a drowsy driving piece just recently here, and we showed the effects of it. So truck drivers are well aware of the effects of drowsy driving, right? They have to get the amount of sleep on a regular basis. Walmart, though, came out with a statement pretty quickly and said this is a tragedy, and we are profoundly sorry that one of our trucks was involved. We can't change what happened, but we will do what's right for the family and the victim and the survivors in the days and weeks ahead.
Yeah, well, certainly Walmart has civil liability. And if they knew or had reason to know that this person is a reckless driver, then they could be even in more trouble. But there'll be a civil lawsuit here, and Walmart will be paying, for sure.
Or what if Walmart had overworked the driver? Or what if they'd known that this particular driver had fallen asleep in the past? What would happen?
Right, then Walmart could possibly face criminal liability because they knew, or they should have known, that this driver could be a reckless driver, and they were putting the driver in a position to commit this accident.
But I mean, sometimes people, I'm not defending anyone here, I'm really struck by the idea that someone who falls asleep, which is something that everybody does every day,
right,
not necessarily considered an act of recklessness, does it unintentionally, nods off, is a criminal.
Well, absolutely. I mean, Tucker, if you're driving a 16-wheel truck, a truck for Walmart, and you're on the roads of the state of New Jersey,
right,
and you're drowsy and you fall asleep, it's certainly an act of recklessness. It's not an intentional murder, but it's an act of recklessness, and that's where this reckless homicide comes in.
Unbelievable.
Can only imagine the guilt that he's already feeling.
Right.
Can't even imagine. And they always survive, by the way, the people who cause accidents.
Yeah, it's a tragedy, it really is.
Thanks, David. Coming up here on the show, no sun